To set up reminders on a Samsung S25, start by opening App Drawer. Now click on this search and input this phrase reminders. Open reminder. Now click continue. And here you have to click plus to start. You can set title. Additionally, you can even add here some photos. You can take picture right now or select this one from your gallery. And when you tap right here, you can add some checkboxes right here. Then you can set time. You can also click here and change it for some specific date instead of getting this all day. And now you can also set repeat if you want, like every 1 year. Duration forever, a specific number, so 10 times total. There we go. Now we can go back from repeat. We can also add place by using our location, or we can pick a different place. And as you can see, I'm not sure. Oh, okay, never mind. Everything is fine. I just thought that I just removed some settings. But at the end, you have to just click save button that is located just right here. And as you can see, you can also add some categories if you want. You can change icon of this reminder. You can change color. There we go. And here you can switch the place where you want to add this reminder into your one, or this one that is available here as a default. By tapping here, you can hide all categories card. You can show completed reminders, for example. So that's how it actually looks.